Okay, I'm back. I'm showered. I put on my makeup. I put on my rosy tank to go with my head tie that I'm gonna put on. And I've got my Diva Curl Super Cream to kind of, mold my hair, keep all the flyaways from going out of control. It helps me to get my bangs up. And I've got my hairspray because you need that to keep your hair back. You can wear this with your bangs down. It looks really cute that way, but I'm going to show pulling the bangs up so that way you can see that even with short bangs you can still make it work. This is my head tie that I'm going to wear, or my bandana. I've got lots of bobby pins and my brush. So let's see how this can go, and hopefully it's gonna go up in one shot because it's pretty easy if your hair works with you. I'm gonna be looking at the mirror here, so if I'm looking away, then that's what I'm doing. You take this, take the top point, put it behind, and see where I'm putting it. The point kind of comes right up on your poof a little bit. You gotta make sure you get it forward so you can tie the other ends on it. And then I take bobby pins and secure each side. Then take these ends and pull up around. Make sure I'm not messing this up. Tuck it behind your ears. I just kind of feel it out. You can put bobby pins right here if you want to secure it, but I don't have the back of my hair is shaved, so I don't use it there. And once you tie it here, take these ends and tuck them. Just kind of push it forward. It'll kind of loosen a little bit, but you just tighten too as you go. See how it goes over the point there? So it keeps it pulled forward, and then you kind of create this almost like a little pocket back here. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Make a little ledge there. See, and if you could pull it down there and bobby pin it. That's it, and it'll stay on all day. This is amazing if you don't feel like doing your hair, but you still want to have a look